Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends! We are here with another BrickHeadz quick review. Set for 1624, it is Disney Mickey Mouse. So, anyway, without further ado, there's the front of Mickey. And, typical fashion of the BrickHeadz, with no articulation in the arms, or the legs, or the head. Just a standard brick-built body. And of course the mouse tail, which uses the standard minifigure whip, and the dishes for the ears. No printing on the back or anywhere except for his pants with the white buttons and the eyes, which are the standard eyes for all the BrickHeadz. And it's basically built the same way as Minnie Mouse, only he has pants and she has a skirt and a bow on her head, whereas he doesn't. But it's still pretty cool, and when they're put together, they are pretty sweet. So, that's a pretty quick review, just to Mickey. We're going to stick Minnie right next to him here and have a look at them both. So, we have Mickey on the left and Minnie on the right. And there they are, same height, except she's a bit taller because she has a bow on her head. So, there's the differences and the likenesses. Pretty much all the same, except, like I said, her skirt and a few of the odd bricks on the side are different colors. But other than that, the eyes are the same. And she has eyelashes, which is kind of really cool compared to Mickey Mouse, who doesn't have eyelashes. Maybe he's an eyelash-free mouse. I don't know. But no, I guess not, because girl mice have eyelashes. So that about sums it up for the Mickey and Minnie BrickHead. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming out your way. I will see you guys again shortly in the next video. Take care till then.